Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add custom graphics and overlays to your video with OBS Studio. This is perfect for adding logos, borders, animated backgrounds, or any visual elements that make your stream or recording look more professional. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your visual elements are managed and layered. Click on the plus icon to reveal a menu of different source types you can add to your scene. From this menu, select Image. This option allows you to add static images or even animated files to your video composition. After selecting Image, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new source. It's a good practice to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you're working with multiple overlays. For example, you could type overlay or something more specific like logo or border. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see the Properties window for your image source. On the right side of this window, you'll notice a Browse button. Click on it to open your File Explorer, which will allow you to navigate through your computer's folders and locate the graphic file you want to use. This is where you'll select your overlay file, whether it's a PNG for transparent graphics, a GIF for simple animations, or even an MP4 for more complex animated backgrounds. Navigate through your folder files, click on the overlay file you want to use, and then click Open. This imports the file into OBS and prepares it for your video. After selecting your file, you'll be brought back to the Properties window. Click OK to confirm your selection and add the graphic to your scene. At this point, your graphic will immediately appear on the preview screen in the center of your OBS workspace. Depending on the size and resolution of your original file, it might appear too large, too small, or not positioned exactly where you want it. To resize the graphic, simply click on it in the preview to select it, and you'll see red handles appear at the corners and edges. Click and drag these corners to make the overlay larger or smaller while maintaining its proportions. You can also click and drag the center of the graphic to reposition it anywhere on your screen, allowing you to place your logo in a corner, center your border, or position your animated background exactly where it looks best. And that's it! You've successfully added a custom graphic or overlay to your video in OBS Studio, giving your content a more polished and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.